So in today's video, I'm going to show you how to install the platter as well as the mat on your Sony LX5BT. As you can see, the platter, which needs to go on the turntable, has this red tape. And the red tape, if it's not there anymore, if you've removed it, well, you still will be able to do it, but with the tape it is much easier because you can see you can stretch it like so and put it on the motor. The motor is located right here. I recommend doing all of that with the power completely unplugged from the device. See, this is where the motor is. So now, all you need to do is simply put the platter on with the red tape being near the motor. And now, as you can see, all I do, since the red tape's there, is put the conveyor belt. Hold on, I am having problems with doing it with one hand, and I did fail a little bit. Yeah, I'm gonna put it back. Hold on, I need to inspect it. So I did rotate it by an accident. Now I removed it by an accident. So yeah, that's something that happens, and you just put it on the platter. It's easy to put it on the platter, to be honest. Just put it on. I'm gonna move the tape here so it's in the correct spot. It's just sticking out of the hole. And now let's try to do it again. So let's put it on. Let's attach it on the motor. Okay, it is done correctly. Now I will gently rotate it a little bit so it's easier to remove the tape. And now you should rotate manually the platter 10 times, but it should be counterclockwise, right? Yeah, counterclockwise, so it's going to be 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. That makes sure the conveyor belt is in its natural position, so it doesn't fall off. And now and also it makes sure that if you've accidentally rotated the conveyor belt, that it still just makes, it rotates itself again, so it is all straight. Now, to put the mat, you just put it on top through the hole. And that's it for the video. I hope that this video was helpful. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.